friends, welcome back to the Kids Zone with Trishy. That's me. Today, do you want to sing a song about the weather? We're going to sing a song about the weather. You ready? First, let's see what the weather's like outside. Do you want to check to see what the weather's like outside where I live? Ready? Let's go see. Hold on, we're going to check. Let's see. Look at that. What do you see? What do you see? Yes, it's snowing today. It's snowy. Ready to sing the song? All right, let's sing the special song about the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? All together, all together. What's the weather like today? What's the weather where you live right now, my friends? Look, it's windy, look, it's windy, look, it's windy, everyone. Fly a kite, fly a kite, fly a kite, everyone. Do you like to fly kites, my friend? I do too. Ooh, look, it's rainy, look, it's rainy, look, it's rainy, everyone. Jump in the puddles, jump in the puddles, jump in the puddles, everyone. Do you jump in the rainy puddles? You do, I do too sometimes. Look, it's sunny, look, it's sunny, look, it's sunny, everyone. Let's go swimming, let's go swimming, let's go swimming, everyone. Do you like going swimming in the summer? I do, at the beach. Look, it's snowy, look, it's snowy, look, it's snowy, everyone. Catch a snowflake, catch a snowflake. Do you build snowmen in the snow? You do? I do too sometimes. Look at this snowman. All together, what's the weather like today?